Let's first try creating a fresh sales invoice. Navigate to Sales Invoices from the awesome bar and click on the Sales Invoice list in the results shown. Click on Add Sales Invoice. A sales invoice can be created from sales orders, delivery notes, and sales quotations. Go to the Get Items From section and click on Delivery Notes. Select one or more delivery notes and click on Get Items. Items will be fetched from the delivery notes. Taxes and charges will be automatically calculated. Select details like the customer billing address, shipping address, and dispatch address. Finally, save and submit to create a sales invoice. You can also create a sales invoice another way. Click on Add Sales Invoice, select the customer, and set a due date for the invoice. Then add details of the goods and services being offered, such as item quantity and rate. Select the sales taxes and charges template and the payment terms. You can also enter details of the sales team or sales partner involved if needed. You can update details like the income account, cost center, or project for each item individually. Finally, save and submit the sales invoice.